Hey guys, it's Daisy from Currys, and today we're taking a look at the top 3 features of the Canon EOS R10 camera. It tracks subjects with its dual pixel CMOS autofocus 2, it can capture fast moving moments with its high-speed shooting, and it shoots stunning 4K video at 30 frames per second. So we're going to head to the lab now where we're going to take a look at the camera in a little bit more detail. So we're here in the lab and I've handed over the Canon EOS R10 to a member of our crew so that we can really put the autofocus to the test, and we're going to pop this footage from the camera in the video that you're watching, because this camera has a dual pixel CMOS autofocus 2 focusing system, which may sound really technical, but simply put it means that it's able to track your subjects and still keep them pin sharp each and every time. So even if I'm moving quite quick and quite suddenly, you can see that the focus stays on me. It does this by using deep learning AI to recognise people, wildlife and even vehicles as well, so it can follow them whilst they're in frame and make sure that they stay in focus. Now, even if your subject is moving, you can still get really sharp shots, even in the most fleeting of moments. So it makes it great for trying to capture live sports or wildlife or anything that's really unpredictable, because you're always going to be ready to capture that shot. Now, it uses high-speed bursts of either 15 or 23 frames per second with its silent electronic shutter, and then you can just pick out the best photos. It's not just the images that are really great either, because it shoots really impressive videos in 4K at 30 frames per second. So you're going to get really high detail, high res videos that you can crop as well without losing any quality at all. But if you want something a little bit smoother, something a bit slower, you can also shoot in 4K at 60 frames per second. If you'd like any more info on the Canon EOS R10 camera, you can visit us in store, head online or chat to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.